Hello, welcome to Online Education 8. Today we will learn how to buy a domain from Namecheap. We know that there is many domain name provider, domain hosting selling company available in this world, and Namecheap, one of the best domain hosting provider in the world. Once you want to buy a domain in cheap rate, then Namecheap is the best for you. So I am in our official website. In this preview, you need to click this link to sign up. This is my referral link. That means I am referring you to buy a domain on Namecheap. Please click on this link. You can get this link on the video description. Just click on this link. I am clicking here. After clicking this link, you will be redirected on the Namecheap official website. Once you have been redirected on Namecheap official website, then please click on the sign up button for sign up on Namecheap. Because you cannot buy any product from Namecheap without sign up. So I'm clicking here. Sign up button. Here is need to fill up a form, create an account. First you need to choose a username. I'm choosing I'm I'm entering my username depending on my domain name. It will be easy for me to find out my domain name. I'm clicking here is my username and I'm choosing a password. Okay, then I need to confirm a password once again. Okay, then I need to put on my name. Okay, this is my first name and this is my last name. Then I need to input my email address. I'm choosing this email address. Okay, you can check out once again your information is correct or not. Once your information will be correct, then you can click the create account and continue. I'm clicking here. Okay, I'm clicking here. I don't know actually. It's loading slowly. Okay, our sign up process has been complete. Now those who want to buy a domain, so you can check your domain name is available or not. Once your domain name has been selected, then you can just click on the domain button to search the domain and add this domain on your cart. I'm clicking the domain option. Here is your so many options: the domain hosting, WordPress hosting. Those who want to buy a domain, so I'm clicking this button, domain. Okay, now I need to search my domain name. Actually I want to buy this domain, techanduse24.com. Actually my internet is slow, so it's loading time. It's loading slowly. Okay, actually okay, it's loading slowly. I'm sorry for that. Now I find your domain. I'm pasting my domain name and I'm clicking this search button. Okay, maybe here is a VPN, currently is disabled. Okay, after searching the domain name, Namecheap will be showing you the result depending on your search. Actually, I want to buy .com domain. You may know that .com domain now 88 cent on Namecheap. This is a promo offer. You can buy .com domain only 88 cent, but it only work on new account. It will be not work on okay, I am adding on my card. Okay, here it is total cost. My domain name cost is $11.16. Then view card. I'm going to the next step. Those my domain has been added on my card, so I'm not interested to buy more product. I'm interested to buy just a single domain, so I'm clicking this. Here is a promo code. Once you have a promo code, then you can enter it. I have a promo code. I'm trying to check out that is it available or not. Okay, after my promo code has been worked. Here is a only 1.06 price. Now here is a promo. This is the promo code, and I'm buying this domain only for 1 year, and this promo code will be work for only for 1 year. You cannot buy this you cannot buy the domain on 2 years, 3 years, or 5 years using this promo code. It will be only for work on the first year. So, and the new account, you cannot use this promo code on the existing account on Namecheap. So you need to create a new account, then you can buy the domain only 88 cent on .com extension using this promo code. This is the process, and I'm not interested to change anything, so I want to confirm my order. I'm clicking this button, confirm order. After clicking this confirm order, here is the here I need to input my company name, I mean company data. So I'm clicking okay, this is my company name and I am the CEO, and this is my I need to input my address. Okay, this is my address line 1, and this is the city name. Okay, I need to input my postal code, and my country location is Bangladesh, and here I need to input a phone number. Please do not try this on this phone number. Actually, I'm choosing a random phone number, so please do not disturb using this number. Okay, 01762. Okay, then I no need to input this from any extra information. I am clicking just continue. Okay, Okay, after clicking this continue button, you will be redirected in another page. Here is the option, you can check it, this Namecheap in the title. First time account setup, billing, order, and done. We are already done. We have completed our account information. Then setup, we need to set up. Okay, I want to save this information by default, and I'm clicking continue. Okay, after clicking this button, you will be redirected in the next step. Here we have already seen that here is a 5 step. First step is account, then second step is setup, and third step is billing. So we need to confirm our payment. Okay, so I am interested to making payment using my prepaid Visa card. You can buy or you can load your money using PayPal or Bitcoin or others. Here is a PayPal option and another option Visa Mastercard. So I'm interested to buy this domain using my card. Okay, this is my card name, card details, name on the card, this is the name, and this is my card number. Okay, and here is the expire date, and this is the CVC. Expire date is 0819 0819 0819, and this is the CVC. Okay, here is no need to change any information, so I am clicking the continue button. Okay, after clicking this button, Namecheap will be charge your card. They will be charged 1.06 cent on your card. Once your payment has been completed, then you will be redirect on the next step. You know that here is a 5 step. We have been completed 2 step, and now we are in the third option. Yes, the payment. Okay, my payment information has been saved. Okay, now we need to pay now. Okay, here is a short description, your payment details. You can check out here. This is the phone number, email address, your local address, and your card information. Okay, you can change once you need, but I no need to change, so I'm clicking the pay now button. Okay, after clicking this button, Namecheap will be finally charge your account. Okay, payment authorizing. Okay, it is loading. Okay, here is a feedback form. I am submitting here. You can submit or not. Thank you for purchase. Your order has been placed, completed. That means our we have successfully buy our domain. It has been raining outside of my house, so this is the raining sound when I am creating this video. Actually, okay, this is our domain name. We can change our name server and much more. That means you can control your domain from clicking this manage button, or you can click on the dashboard. Please click on the dashboard, and you can check your domain by clicking the domain list. Okay, I'm clicking this domain list. sometimes sometimes you need to here is my domain. Okay, so we have successfully buy our domain from Namecheap. If you are interested to buy any domain or hosting, then please click the link on the description and sign up first time, then please buy your product from Namecheap. Namecheap is the awesome place for buying domain and hosting and dedicated server, SSL certificate and other applications. So you can check out the more option on the Namecheap menus. So I hope you have understand that how to buy a domain from Namecheap Inc. If you like this video, then please like and please share this video with your friends, and if you have any question depending on this video, then please comment us on the comment section. We will try to answer you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching this video, and if you are new on our channel, then please subscribe my channel. Your subscription will be inspire me to create the new videos. So thank you guys, see you the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.